Until now, flow profiling was a feature only available on a select few commercial espresso machines. The Lelit Bianca has changed that. Built entirely with the home barista in mind, it brings this incredibly helpful technology within reach in a powerful and versatile package. Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee, and today we'll be taking a look at the Lelit Bianca. First impressions are important, and Lelit has ensured the Bianca makes a good one. It comes fully equipped with wood knobs, paddle, and portafilters, something almost no other espresso machine includes. In fact, when you unbox the machine, its premium included accessories are immediately notable. It comes with a steel tamper, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and even a walnut-handled bottomless portafilter. All of this ensures that every step of pulling a shot both looks and feels premium. The machine's frame is comprised of polished stainless steel, matching the mechanical beauty of its classic E61 group head. Inside, it has a rotary pump, which means that it's nearly silent and can be run either on its attachable water reservoir or be direct plumbed. Speaking of the reservoir, we think the fact that it's modular is pretty clever. First, because it allows you to attach the water reservoir not just to the back, but to either side of the machine. For certain kitchens, particularly with overhead cabinets, this can make refilling the reservoir considerably more convenient. Second, if you plan to direct plumb the machine, you can simply remove the reservoir, taking a few inches off the back. This allows it to fit comfortably on just about any countertop. Inside the machine, you'll find its reasonably sized 0.8-liter brew boiler and 1.5-liter steam boiler. They're large and powerful enough to supply a steady stream of espresso and steamed milk for a sizable dinner party. Both boilers are temperature controlled by a PID, which is controlled through the display on the face of the machine. Crucially, this gives you precise control over brew temperature, allowing you to further dial in coffees of any roast level. The steam boiler's 1400-watt heating element matches those of competing high-end dual boiler machines, and it'll allow you to rapidly heat milk for larger lattes without running out of steam. Now let's focus on what makes this machine especially interesting, the flow control paddle. Neatly located atop the E61 group head, this paddle gives you direct control over flow. It does this by controlling the opening of a small valve. All the way to the left gets you the smallest setting and the slowest flow. The further to the right, the larger the opening gets, resulting in a greater flow. The group head pressure gauge gives you a real-time readout of pressure at the puck. Together, these two features provide a superb level of control over your extractions. If you've ever had the pleasure of working with a La Marzocco GS3, you'll find the operation pretty familiar, and indeed, the effect is exactly the same. Here at our office, we primarily use the paddle to perform an extended, ramping pre-infusion. We start with a slow flow, allowing the pressure to build to about 3 bar for a few seconds, and then slowly ramp it up to 9 bar to finish the shot. To an even greater degree than pre-infusion, this helps reduce channeling and ensure even extraction from the entire puck of coffee. Out of the box, the paddle comes calibrated for a pretty good range of flow rates that maxes out around the max flow rate of most commercial espresso machines. If you find you'd like to change it, the paddle can easily be recalibrated so as to be centered on a different range of flow rates. The Lelit Bianca goes out of its way to impress, and the effort is well worth it. As a premium dual boiler E61 machine that brings flow control to an entirely new price point, it's hard not to love it. If this video answered your questions about the Bianca, be sure to hit the like button. If it didn't, I'd be glad to field them in the comments below. For more coffee knowledge, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.